This video is going to review how to find slope. So just as a reminder, slope is a couple different things. It tells how steep a line is, and it's also a unit rate. Okay, it tells like per one. And to find slope on a graph, you can find the rise and the run between 2 points. So here's our first line. We have a line here, and we want to find the slope, so the steepness of the line. So you can pick any 2 points. It doesn't matter if I pick this one and this one, or this one and this one. Doesn't matter. I'm just going to take, usually I take 2 that are close to each other. So I'm going to figure out, well, how much do I rise between those 2 points? And I'm actually going down. I went down 2. So to write down 2, I'm going to put -2. And then I went over to the right, 1, 2, 3. So here is my slope, -2/3. Remember, it's rise over run. All right, and I can also tell that this was going to have a negative slope because the line is going down as I go left to right. All right, we have another line, and we want to find the slope of this line. So again, you can pick 2 points. I usually take the 2 closer ones, and I'm going to figure out, well, how much do I rise between those 2 points? It looks like I go up 2, and then how much do I go over? I go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my slope, again, is rise over run. It's 2/5. And this is going to be a positive slope because it is going up from left to right. Here's another one. If I look at this line, I see it's going straight across. It's not very steep, or it's not steep at all. So if I want to find the slope, again, I could pick 2 points and I could figure out the rise. Well, I don't go up between those points. So that's 0. And then the run, I go over 2. So my slope is 0/2. Well, 0 divided by anything is 0. So this has a slope of 0 or no slope. You can say either one of those. Again, that's because there's no steepness. It's like a flat, not a hill, but flat ground. You're not going up at all. So it's no slope or a slope of 0. All right, and our last line is a straight up and down vertical line. So to find the slope, I can count how much I rise between these 2 points. Looks like I go up 3 and I go over 0. Well, if I write that as a fraction, 3/0, you cannot divide by 0. You can't split 3 things into 0 parts. So anytime you see something like that, you know that the slope is undefined because you cannot divide by 0. So this line is so steep, it's straight up and down, you can't really define the slope, so it's called undefined.